Welcome to this Fantaskool tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to automatically generate registration numbers for students in your school. First, head over to www.fantaskool.com and click on My Account to log in. Once you're on the administrative dashboard, go to Student on the side navigation and click on Student. You'll see two buttons at the beginning of the screen: Add Students and More Options. Click on More Options. From the list of options that appears, select Registration Number. You'll now see the configuration interface. This is where you set up how your students' registration numbers will be formatted and structured. The registration number consists of 4 parts: the school prefix, which is a representation of your school name; the academic year, which is the year the student enrolled; the class code, which is the student's current class; and the serial number, which is a unique number for each student. Let's start with configuring the school prefix. The school prefix is a 2- or 3-letter representation of your school name that appears at the beginning of every registration number. For example, if your school is Hartford Comprehensive College, you could use HC or HCC. If your school is Genius Pathfinder College, you could use GP or GPC. Use capital letters for your prefix. Next, enable the auto-generation option so the system automatically generates registration numbers when students are registered into the system. You'll also see an option to reset numbers. If you enable this option, registration numbers will be regenerated each academic year. If you leave it disabled, registration numbers will remain the same throughout the student's entire time at the school. Now, scroll down to configure class codes for each class. Class codes are a 2- or 3-letter or digit representation of each class that appears in the registration number. For example, Form 1 General could be F1G, and Form 3 Commercial could be F3C. Use a maximum of 3 characters in capital letters for each class code. Configure the code for each class in your school, then click Save Configuration. Okay, last but not least. If you look at the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a gear icon. This button is used to generate registration numbers for students who don't have a registration number yet. If for any reason there are some students without a registration number, perhaps because these students existed before you did the configuration of registration numbers, then you can use this feature. After you have completed the configuration, simply click on this gear icon button at the top right corner of the interface. The system will identify the number of students who do not have a registration number. Then you can click on Generate Registration Numbers for these students. This is particularly useful if there were students already in the system before you configured the registration number settings. Your registration number system is now set up and ready to automatically generate student registration numbers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. Let us know if you have any questions or if there are other Fantaskool features you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching.